So if you guys want to know, we put the car on a weight scale. We set it to Ftuned for corner weight, and the car is If you notice, the bodywork for this car is done by BAR, and we call it the GT Barney series, and it's the first of its kind for a Bmw E92. It has the concept of a Pandem, but of course we wanted to have our own identity, so me and Bar, we decided to collaborate Pandem style with our own style, so we call it GT Barney. If you guys want to know, we put the car on a weight scale. We set it to Ftuned for corner weight, and the car is at 1,340 kilos. That's with me inside, so I'm about 120. So the car is about 1,200 kilos. So that is way what we are expecting. We expected it was to be 1,003 and slightly more, but it is 1,003 plus, but with me inside. So that's an achievement. And I guess Wanboss did a great job preparing this car from a bare shell to what it is now. And I believe we can still reduce a bit more weight because we're running huge discs. We're running a twin 4-port calipers at the back, 330mm disc, and also for the front, a big 6-port Brembos. So if we can reduce maybe the rear to a smaller disc, or maybe smaller caliper, I think we maybe shave off 20 to 30 kilos more. So yeah. We're running a 5-speed dog box by Samsonas Motorsports. It's a H-pattern dog box. It performs almost as fast as the sequential gearbox. It's smooth transition on every gear, makes it perfect for me. And also I'm running a Winters quick change, the Winters 1000. It should be able to handle the power and the abuse that I'm going to put into Rentaka. Quick change, you can just change the ratio within 5 minutes, so that's definitely a benefit. Okay, for the clutch system, we're running Triniti Clutch on this car. It's a triple plate, it's a new design. It's a smaller yet lighter, but it handles the same amount of torque and also horsepower. So I have no complaints with Triniti so far. They're doing a great job by doing an amazing clutch for us, for the Beast, for the Rentaka, and also for my Verosa, and also Alteza. So those cars are running perfectly fine until today. And for the Beast, it's running close to 3 years now on the same clutch. And once we open it up, it's still as thick as brand new. So I believe it's reliable. So you guys should check it out. Triniti Clutch, they are awesome. Alright guys, while the boys are busy preparing the engine, we're going to figure out what's the problem. I believe it could be fuel system, maybe the injectors or something, because only one piston is worn. So we need to figure out whether we can just change that one piston or not. We're going to prepare it for the next session of shakedown, which is the third session, and hopefully in a month's time or so. I would like to say big thanks to all my partners to make Rentaka possible. Of course, BAR, Active suspension for the suspension. Lucas oil. I'm running Lucas oil all the way. SAE 50 for the win. Wanboss Garage, Triniti Clutch. To check out Triniti Clutch. They have been proven to take a lot of abuse for heavy driving, drifting, circuit, whatever not. So check them out, and they're really cool. And also not forgetting my brother Zakusha for making an awesome livery design, Elixir fuel, and also fuel pumps. Big thanks to you guys. I'll see you guys soon on the next shakedown. Appreciate it. Again, guys, sponsors are welcome. Come check us out. Wuzzaaaapppp. Peace out.